Welcome back. Today, we're making a quick and nourishing breakfast. Chickpea Avocado Toast. It's packed with protein, healthy fats, and flavor. Let's dive right in. Let's start with the ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 can of chickpeas, 1 ripe avocado, salt, pepper, and slices of whole grain bread, a fresh lemon juice. Now, to preparing the chickpeas and avocado recipe. First, drain and rinse the chickpeas thoroughly. This removes excess sodium from the canning liquid. Next step, slice your ripe avocado in half, remove the pit, and scoop the flesh into a mixing bowl. Mashing the chickpea avocado mixture. Next, add the drained chickpeas to the bowl with the avocado. Use a fork or potato masher to mash them together. Aim for a chunky, textured consistency. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice to brighten up the flavors. A tablespoon should do the trick, but feel free to adjust to your taste. Seasoning the mixture. Now season with salt and pepper to taste. This is where the flavors come together, so don't be shy. Toasting the bread. Next, toast your whole grain bread slices until they're nice and crispy. You can use a toaster or a pan on the stovetop. And now it's time to assemble the chickpea avocado toast. Now for the fun part. Assembling the toast. Generously spread the chickpea avocado mixture over each slice of toasted bread. For an extra flavor boost, you can add toppings like chili flakes, fresh herbs, or a drizzle of olive oil. Be creative. And there you have it. Chickpea avocado toast. Perfect for a hearty breakfast or a quick lunch. Simple, healthy, and so satisfying. Give this recipe a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more healthy and budget-friendly recipes. See you next time.